Hey, I have an update for the Skoda Enyaq hands-on detection problem for the travel assist. Last week Friday, 11th of October, I got a new steering wheel, and now I can activate the travel assist and just drive without any further interruptions. So no more put your hands on the steering wheel message, no more binging, ringing. So it does what it's supposed to do. As long as I keep my hands on the steering wheel, I won't be bothered with the message anymore. Problem was really it took since actually March that I had the problem. In June I had it in the service, they couldn't resolve it, there were some more attempts, they ordered a new steering wheel which was on back order, and now finally, 6 months later, I finally can enjoy riding with the car, so hopefully I have many miles to come. Thank you.